But I'm sitting there thinking about Ben giving up tens of thousands of dollars. And what if a number of things go wrong? They don't use it right, it's not the right buyers in the platform.
And I thought, if this doesn't work, what's my wife gonna say when my paychecks are smaller? Our company is Supply Source. We're based in the Portland area in Oregon. We're a packaging, distribution, and design company. So we are kind of the cross-section, a consulting firm and a distribution company meet. So I met Henry kind of in an unusual way. My wife was his wedding photographer. And so we sort of stayed in touch over the years. And I'm in sales, and I'm thinking in the back of my mind, what is this ZoomInfo thing? It's supposed to help sales. So eventually I get curious enough, and I ask him, hey, can I trial this thing? I'd love to see what it is that I'm hearing so much about.
And Ben called me one day and he says, hey, we're looking at ZoomInfo. Do you think it would be good for us? Now, everything inside me told me, yes, it will be good for you.
And so we got a trial for ZoomInfo, saw a lot of potential for our business. And so I brought it to our leadership team, and originally they said no, didn't want to make the investment. It was one of the harder pitches I've ever made. They basically told me, if you believe in this so much, you pay for it.
And Ben called me and told me that. Ben has 5 kids, and he's a friend. And I'm obviously incredibly convicted in the power of ZoomInfo as well, but I'm sitting there thinking about Ben giving up tens of thousands of dollars. And what if a number of things go wrong? They don't use it right, it's not the right buyers in the platform.
And so I had to sort of on the drive home from work, and I thought, if this doesn't work, what's my wife gonna say when my paychecks are smaller? And I was willing to do it because I believed that what I saw in our trial was something I could use in our business to grow. And so we sort of took the leap of faith, and it was worth every penny.
So we brought on ZoomInfo. It was instantly a success. It gave me a bunch of joy, but a ton of relief because I was really nervous about it.
Probably 90 days after that, I'd reached out to a client that I had a lot of interest in, figured there's no way I'm gonna find the right person in this company. It's huge. And I got an email back, and we were able to close one of the largest pieces of business in our company and the largest of my territory. People in the office were really excited and wanted to know how it is that we did that. And I said, ZoomInfo. And the other part of that was great is once one guy saw somebody else get an appointment at an account that they had been trying to get into, it became competitive. Because we're getting in a meeting with, X company, and people were looking at each other going, how did you get in there? I've been trying to get in there for years. So that really inspired others to jump in. So the business is great. ZoomInfo really helps with that. But where the rubber meets the road is at home. I got to send kids to college. I've got to figure out how to pay for ballet and baseball and do the things that help secure my family's future. That's what we want. We want opportunity to do what's right for our family. Having a tool like that, it's a game changer.